Cashback, coupons, and reward stacking are some of the most overlooked strategies in online arbitrage. But in 2026, they're essential for maximizing profit margins. When used effectively, these tools can turn average deals into high-return opportunities and help you earn thousands of dollars in additional profit every year. Let's start with Cashback. Cashback websites and apps give you a percentage of your spending back whenever you purchase through their links. Platforms like Rakuten, Top Cashback, and Honey are popular examples. They partner with major online retailers, allowing you to earn anywhere from 1 to 15% of your total purchase. For arbitrage sellers, this is pure extra profit, money you earn on top of your regular margins. The key is consistency. Always route your purchases through your cashback accounts and track the returns over time. Even small percentages compound quickly when you're buying inventory regularly. Next are coupons. Coupons remain one of the simplest but most powerful ways to boost profit. Many online stores release discount codes during sales events, seasonal promotions, or loyalty programs. Chrome extensions like Honey or Capital One Shopping automatically detect and apply the best coupons at checkout. Combine this with retailer newsletters or bulk purchase discounts to reduce your costs further. Now let's talk about reward stacking, the real secret weapon. Reward stacking means combining multiple savings methods on a single purchase. For example, you might use a cashback portal, apply a coupon code, and pay with a credit card that offers cashback or reward points. Some sellers even add gift card discounts into the mix. This layered strategy can turn a 10% discount into 25% or more in total savings. Here's an example. You find a $100 product selling on Walmart. You use a 10% coupon code to bring it to $90, then pay with a 3% cashback credit card, saving another $2.70. You also earn 5% cashback from Rakuten, reducing your total cost to about $85.50. That's a 5% savings before you even sell the item. Multiply that across hundreds of purchases, and you're looking at thousands of dollars in additional margin. Automation tools make this even easier. Tools like Rebate, Cashback Monitor, and Max Rewards track multiple cashback portals and help you find the highest rates for each store. You can even use browser extensions to ensure you never miss a cashback opportunity. When it comes to credit cards, choose ones that align with your business model. Cards that offer category bonuses for online shopping or business purchases can add up to significant rewards. Always pay off balances in full to avoid interest charges that negate your savings. One more pro tip: create a system for tracking your cashback, coupons, and rewards. Use a spreadsheet or app like Notion to log each transaction, portal used, and expected payout date. This helps you confirm that rewards are being credited correctly and keeps your accounting clean. In 2026, successful online arbitrage isn't just about finding profitable products. It's about optimizing every dollar you spend. Cashback, coupons, and reward stacking are free money opportunities most sellers ignore. Use them consistently, automate the process, and you'll build a smarter, more profitable arbitrage business.